This is about sharing the what, the how, and the why, right? So, what are you doing? You just basically, it could be as simple as saying the name of the activity. We're going to do this activity. Why you're doing it. Well, it's related to what they want to achieve, or it's related to where they are on the story. You can say, we've just done this. We're about to we want to go and do this. And in the meantime, we need to make sure that we clarify this particular thing so that we can do that thing. So that's the why. And the how in the setup is more about giving people an overview of what the activity is going to be about. It's not giving any instructions at this stage. And I find that doing the what, why, and the how in this way gives people enough information for them to just feel comfortable about what's going to happen.